Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Bitly for beginners. Bitly is a powerful URL shorten that can help you make your links more manageable, track their performance, and even customize them. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of creating a Bitly account, shortening your first link, and customizing your Bitly links. Benefits of Bitly. Your link shortening and analytics powerhouse. Shorten lengthy URLs into compact, shareable links. Track clicks, referrals, and device usage to understand your audience. Brand your links with your domain name and logo for recognition. Generate QR codes for easy mobile access to your content. Hide real URLs with link cloaking for enhanced privacy and control. Integrate with social media and popular tools for seamless sharing. Leverage APIs and developer tools for custom integration and automation. Enjoy robust security and privacy measures for your data protection. Embrace Bitly and elevate your online marketing strategies with its comprehensive link shortening and analytics capabilities. To get started, visit the Bitly website. First display of the Bitly site, you can see here 3 tabs on top of the site. Likes products, pricing, resources. First is products. In this feature we get link management, create, brand, and manage your links, and track link performance with analytics. QR codes, generate QR codes for your links and track QR code scans. Link in bio, add multiple links to your social media bio and track link clicks. Second tab is pricing. You can see here 4 subscription plan and see first. Asterisk Bitly free plan. In the free plan you get 2 QR codes per month. 10 links per month. 1 link in bio page. And second one is most popular subscription is Core Plan. It started with $8 per month. You get 5 QR codes per month, 100 links per month, 1 link in bio page. And third is Growth Subscription Plan. It started with $29. 10 QR codes per month. 500 links per month. 2 link in bio pages. Last premium subscription plan is start with $199 per month. You get 200 QR codes per month. 3,000 links per month. 5 link in bio pages. In third tab of resources, we can find out developer, access APIs and documentation for building with Bitly, and get support from other developers. App Connector, connect Bitly to your favorite apps and tools, and automate your link management workflow. Resource library, find articles, tutorials, and other resources on link management, and learn how to use Bitly to grow your business. Blog, stay up to date on the latest Bitly news and features, and get inspired by case studies and success stories. Trust Center, learn about Bitly's security and compliance practices, and get answers to frequently asked questions. Support, find support documentation and FAQs, and contact Bitly support for help. Now we creating a Bitly account. And click on the Sign Up Free button. You can create a free account or sign up for a paid plan. Now enter your name, email, and password for sign up with email. You can also sign up with Google. You can see left site categories of Bitly. Home, get an overview of your Bitly account performance and manage your team and settings. Links, create, brand, and manage your links, and track link performance with analytics. QR codes, generate QR codes for your links and track QR code scans. Link in bio, add multiple links to your social media bio and track link clicks. Analytics, track link performance in detail and see how your links are performing across channels. Campaigns, create and manage link campaigns and track campaign performance. Custom links, create custom link domains and manage your custom link settings. Let's start shortening your first link. To shorten your first link, simply log into your Bitly account and click on the Create New button. Then, select Link from the menu. In the destination field, enter the long URL that you want to shorten. You can also add a custom backhalf to your link if you'd like. You can also generate QR code, optional, to your link if you'd like. Once you're finished, click on the Shorten button. Bitly will generate a shortened link for you. You can then copy and paste this link wherever you need to share it. Now we create link in bio. Click Link in bio. Click Create New. Enter a name for your link in bio. Add links to your link in bio. Click Create Link in Bio. Customize your link in bio, optional. Copy the link in bio URL and paste it into your social media bio. Customizing your Bitly links. Bitly also allows you to customize your links in a number of ways. For example, you can add a title to your link, change the back half of the link, and even add UTM parameters. To customize a link, simply click on the pencil icon next to the link in your Bitly dashboard. Tracking link performance. Bitly also allows you to track the performance of your links. To do this, simply click on the Analytics tab next to the link in your Bitly dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see how many clicks your link has received, where those clicks are coming from, and more. That's it. You've now learned how to use Bitly for beginners. Bitly is a powerful tool that can help you make your links more manageable, track their performance, and even customize them to your liking. So what are you waiting for? Start using Bitly today. You can also shorten links using the Bitly browser extension. This is a great way to shorten links quickly and easily without having to log into your Bitly account. If you have a paid Bitly plan, you can also create custom domains for your shortened links. This can help you make your links more professional and memorable. Bitly also offers a number of other features, such as QR code generation, link in bio pages, and more. Be sure to explore all of the features that Bitly has to offer to see how you can use them to your advantage. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use Bitly. In this tutorial, we learned how to shorten URLs, track link clicks, create branded links, and generate QR codes. We also discussed some of the most popular Bitly features and how they can be used to improve your marketing efforts. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your support and we hope you'll continue to watch our videos. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.